Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have completed the extracting of the company names and extracting the company high values. This is the part 2 of the Python web scraping. If you haven't watched my first video, I'll put the link below. First, gonna watch it and again come back here. Okay, in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to extract the company low values and change and the last press, that is close value. And also, what we are gonna do is we're going to make a Python dictionary format, and what also we're going to make is like we are going to display all them in the proper format. And first, let's go where it is completed. Okay, in the previous video we have ended up to here, and then we'll continue here. Okay, actually this is the we have completed the high, and now let's go to extracting the low prices. Now let's go to our website, and here we can see low values. Right click on it and click accept, and here you can see that this is the value of the low. And here we can see that these have the attributes align right and width 180. Okay, let's remember it and we'll write it here. Low equals to here table row dot find all table data. Here it should be within the loop, because here we can see that this is the table head and this is the table body. There are n number of table rows. We have to loop it in each and every table row, and in each and every table row we have to loop for each and every table data with the respective attributes. Table data comma attribute equals to width, we have it's 180, come on, it's align equals to right, it's yes, it's right. Okay, now let's see what the output is. Okay, here we are getting all the values exactly what we have expected. Oh no, we will loop each and every value for I and low. We will print I dot text values, and let's see the output. Okay, we are getting, as we have done before, we will remove all the commas and convert these values into float values. I'll just gonna copy and paste it here, and here you should remove the text because already we have applied here. And also we'll see the type of the value. I will just convert it into float. Okay, here you can see it is a string value. Okay, here instead of this what we'll do is like print type of float of I, then it gives the output, it should be as float value. Let's see. Okay, here we got class as float value, and now these all values are float values. Now what we'll do is we're gonna store it in a variable or in a list. Okay, we call it a company low. We haven't declared it. Okay, here I have declared it company low. These are not the same values. It's company low float of I. Okay, now let's see, print the company low values here. We'll clear the screen. I'm just gonna run it. Okay, here we got an error, list is not callable. Okay, here the error is here we haven't added in the append value dot append. Now let's save it, and again we are going to run it. Okay, now we are getting all the low price values of the each and every company name, that is most active stocks. Similarly, now we are gonna do it for the close price, that is close price. Now let's see what is the value, what is the attributes for the close price, that is last price. We'll accept it, and here we have the same align right and width 185, and we have also extra class for green. If the value is increasing, the last price is high, it shows green, and if the last price is low, let's see here you can see that the class is red. So that here it will be better if you mention the class value as well as. Now we should remember the attributes like align right and width 185, and class is either green or red. Now what we're gonna do is similarly change obvious close value equals to table row dot find all in table data. Attributes are width equals to 185, is it? Yes, and align equals to right, equals to right. Now we're gonna loop it for each and every value. Before that, we'll see what the output till now is. Exit, clear the screen and save it, and we're gonna run it. Okay, as we expected, we have grown, but we can see that there are some class green and class red. But fortunately, we want both the values here. So we just gonna loop each and every value for and close. We'll just print I dot text here. Clear screen and run it. Okay, we as expected, we have got these values, and similarly we will do it, replace these values and remove the text here. Okay, we'll make it fast, and we'll create a list. It's company, we'll create it company close, company close dot append. Just gonna print company close values here. Okay, we got the exact values here. Okay, then next we'll go to the company change values, that is this percentage change values. These are in percentage, you should remember it, and we're gonna inspect it. Okay, these are also having the same align right and width to display. We can see here this table high value and this percentage change value have the same attributes, but the main difference is this has a class name green or either red, but this doesn't have. This is the main key to make the difference between both of them. Okay, similarly what we'll do is change equals to table row dot find all table data attribute equals to its width is 175 and align right similar to this one. We'll just gonna make copy it and paste it here. It will be easy, and you'll just print change here and we'll run it. We'll see what the output will be. Okay, here we are getting different values in each list, but here you can see that, for example, if we take this list, this doesn't contain class value and the last thing doesn't contain class value, but the main thing is this 0.9 which is in percentage. This is what we want. If we take the first one as example, okay, here this is 0.01 percentage, which we want is percentage change. This contains the class green. That means we want the value which has the attribute class. First what we will do is we will loop each and every value for in change. Okay, print I. Before that what we're gonna do is if I dot has its class print I. Okay, here we are getting an error. Okay, here the error is it should be attr itself, and now we will save it and again we'll run it. Okay, now we can see we are getting the exact percentage values here. Now what we'll do is now we're going to create a list. Company change equals to empty list, and we'll copy it. On company change comma we'll append the each and every value in the list, and we'll print the company change values here. We'll clear the screen and we will run it, and we will see the what are the company change values, that is in percentage. Okay, it's good, we are getting all the values exactly in percentage, and we should remember this is these are values are in percentage values, and we'll try to see the type of these values. We'll see of one value. Okay, it's string. What we'll do is we'll convert it into a float value. Okay, we'll save it, and now we'll see what is the type of this value. Now it should be float. It's float. Okay, we'll comment it out. Okay, up to now we are good. Okay, now what we are gonna do is here you can see that we have completed these three now. Now our next step is making a Python dictionary from these values and displaying them in a proper format. Now let's create a dictionary. First of all, we declare an empty list to store all the dictionary values. We'll name it as company, the whole data, company data equals to empty list. Now we'll loop in each and every company data. For in range, the range will length of any company. We can choose anyone. Let's choose company names here. We'll loop it here. Okay, now company data dot append the dictionary. The dictionary is like, first we'll make a company name. Company equals to company names of I, first value, comma, then we'll go for high, company high of I, then we'll go for low, that is company low of I, then we will move for change. Actually this change in percentage, so so what we'll gonna do is we'll make it a change in per percent. It's enough. It's company change of I, comma, and the last one is its close price, close, company close of I. Okay, that's it, and you'll just print the company data here. We'll save and we'll run it. Okay, we are getting all the dictionaries in a list here. For example, if you take one, this is the one, and we can see you are getting the company name Infosys and high value, low value, change in percentage because it is in percentage, and we are getting the close price here. Like we are getting around, I think it is 30 values here because BSC holds the top 30 values. We are getting totally 30 values here. We'll just cross verify the length of this company data here. Yeah, here we got 30 here. It is a top 30 or top trending 30 stocks he displaying here, and now we can see that the display is not very good, like it is like clumsy. So what we will do is like we'll make it look in a proper format, look in a beautiful format. So that what we'll do is we'll remove it first. Okay, foreign range, company data, we'll print the company data of I. Here it's in range, and we'll give a blank space for a good vision. And now we'll run it. We'll clear the screen, and now we will run it. Okay, we'll see, start it. Now here you can see it is in good proper format. We can see all the company change in percentage, company close, company name, and high and low values. But these are the just trending stocks. But what we want is like we can sort it in a good proper format, like ascending order to descending order with respect to company change in percentage or company high values or company low values. For that, before this for loop, what we'll do is like we'll create a new dictionary equals to, it is like sorted off. We should sort the company data, and key equals to, we'll write a small function here, lambda of I colon I of you will sort it with respect to the percentage, that is change in percentage. Percentage. And the other attributes, like here reverse should be true. By default it shows the descending order, so that if you write this as a true, then it will be in ascending order, like top to bottom. Now instead of printing the company data, here what we will do is we'll place the new dictionary. Now we'll save it and we'll run it once again. Okay, here we can see that the change in percentage is ascending to descending. Like first is one, here we see high gain, that is high change in percentage 3.18, then it is going to decrease 2.56, 1.69, 1.6, 1.17, and when we come at last, see it's going from positive to negative here, 0.4 to 0.8 and 0.01, and it's again going to negative. Similarly, when we come to last, it's minus 1.8, which is the maximum change in percentage. In this manner, we have completed displaying the what we have completed displaying the Python dictionary and displaying them in the proper format. Okay, this part is completed now, and that's all for this video. In the next video, what we're gonna do is like we are going to extract the same BSc top gainers and top losers, and it is similar to this, and there will be slight changes according to the HTML code. And that's all for this video. If you really like my content, hit a like button, and thanks for watching.